Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today it's time for another one pot dish. This is a Mediterranean olive mushroom pasta dish and I'm going to put a little bit of spinach in it too. This is all going to come together really quickly. I know you're going to love this recipe and give it a try. So let's get started with that. All right, so I've got my Dutch oven here. If you've got a deep pot, you can use that as well. I've got that heating up now. I'm going to put just a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of that. I'm getting ready to brown the meat. Now to my Dutch oven, I've got 1 pound or 454 grams of a ground chuck, and this is 85/15, but you can use whatever you like. And to that, I'm going to break that up a little bit. Now to that, I'm going to season the meat just a little bit. I've got just a little bit of salt here. Now I do have some beef stock that I'm going to be using. So when you use your stock, if you don't have a reduced sodium like I've got, then you might want to skip this part and give it a taste later on. But I've got reduced sodium beef stock and I should be okay with that. And I'm going to put just a little bit of pepper in it. And we're going to brown this until this gets nice and done. And that should take about 5 to 6 minutes. Now that I've got my ground beef ready to go now, I've got 1 medium onion here, and that's about 150 grams. I'm going to add that in. And I've got 8 ounces or 225 grams of white button mushrooms, and I've just given those just a chop. I want to cook these together with my ground beef. I want to make sure that my onions get soft and that my mushrooms get cooked, and they're going to release a lot of moisture. If you've got a lot of oil that's in the bottom of the pan there, if you used a higher fat content, ground beef, you might want to drain some of that out. I didn't have a lot left in here, and the mushrooms are going to soak up some of that as well and give that some nice flavor. But if you've got a lot in there, you might want to look at it and take some of that out. My onions and my mushrooms have cooked now, and you can see what that looks like there. That's been about 4 to 5 minutes now on those. Now we're going to add in 4 cloves of garlic, and I've minced that up. I've got 2 tablespoons of Calabrian peppers, or that's about 30 grams, and I've given those just a rough chop. Now let's give that a good mix through. We want to cook that for about 30 seconds to a minute until those just get fragrant. I've got 1 can of diced tomatoes, that's 14.5 ounces or 411 grams, and I'm just going to add that in. I've got 1/2 cup or roughly 75 grams of roasted red peppers, and I've given those a rough chop. I've got 1/2 cup of green olives, so that's about 75 grams. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and for just a little bit of heat, I've got some red pepper flakes. This is optional if you don't want to put those in. I'm just going to put a few in there just like that. I'm going to let that cook about 3 to 4 minutes. We want those flavors to develop and season that meat that we've already got in there. So just give that a stir on occasion, and we're going to let that cook for 3 to 4 minutes. All right, my base is looking really good. It smells absolutely incredible, and this is coming together so quick for those nights when you don't have a lot of time, or those weekends when you just want to have something really quick and on the go. So this is a really good recipe for that. Now I've got 8 ounces of your favorite pasta here, and that's about 225 grams. You can use whatever you've got, and I'm going to go ahead and add that in. This is uncooked. We're going to cook this right into this one pot. This is what's so nice about this. Everything gets cooked together. Now I've got some beef stock here that is 2.5 cups or about 600 milliliters, and we're just going to add that in. This is a reduced sodium. We'll give that a quick stir. All right, now that I've got that all mixed together, I'm going to bring this up to a gentle boil. All right, mine has come up to a gentle boil now. I'm going to give my liquid here a little bit of a taste. At this point, we want to see if we need to add any more seasoning to it before it gets absorbed into the pasta. All right, I'm going to put just a little bit more salt in it. Now we're going to reduce the flame down. I'm going to give it one more stir to get that salt incorporated in. And at this point now, we're just going to put the lid on it and let it simmer for 10 to 12 minutes until that pasta gets done to the al dente taste that you like. So put the lid on it, and I'll see you back, and we'll do a little bit of garnishing. All right, my one pot is looking really good. My pasta is done now, and for my last ingredient, I've got 3 cups or about 90 grams of spinach. I'm just going to add that into the top. And that's going to take about a minute to wilt down. I'm just going to kind of give that a little bit of a stir around in there. I am back. This looks absolutely delicious. I want to show you what that looks like. We've got that spinach in there now. That pasta, those mushrooms are all coming through. I'm going to brighten it up with just a little bit of lemon juice here. Just give that a little bit of squeeze over the top. Lemon juice just adds so much extra to everything. And then I've got some grated Parmesan here. We'll put a little bit on the top, just like that. Now I'm going to grab me a spoonful of this. Look how nice and decadent that looks. It's those pasta in there, those tomatoes, that beef that we've got in there. All looks absolutely delicious. I'm going to put just a little bit more cheese on the top of mine because who doesn't love extra cheese? And let's give this a try. This smells incredible. This is so good. Absolutely delicious. Those noodles. That meat is seasoned to perfection. If you're looking for something under 30 minutes, look no further. Try this recipe. Leave me a comment. And I want to hear how yours turned out. If you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And while you're at it, check out one of these other two videos over here on the side. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment. I want to hear how your one-pot Mediterranean dish turns out. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.